Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are first tuning in. I am Gillian and this is my beautiful daughter May in today's video, and we're gonna be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite recipes ever. It is a raw vegan pasta. It is specifically an avocado pesto, and it is easy to make and delicious, and you will feel amazing after eating it. So let's get started. I will show you guys what you need for this beautiful recipe. Before I forget, make sure you hit subscribe because I love sharing not only beautiful recipes with you guys, but other great content based around the raw vegan lifestyle. You'll need some sort of blending device. You will need approximately 2 zucchinis, which we are going to spiralize in a second. You will need an avocado. You don't necessarily need a large avocado. You could actually use a smaller avocado as well, and it would work just fine. A lemon, some garlic, a spiralizer for the zucchini, either a handheld one like this, or you can use the machine style one as well. And some basil, sea salt, and some spinach as well, or a type of greens of your choice to throw in there. We will start out by cutting off the ends of the zucchini so we can spiralize it. May is gonna be a great little assistant in today's video. I love having her in my videos, and she was a hit when she did the last video with me, of course, because she's amazing. But I will do the spiralizing because I don't want her to get hurt with the blade. Guys, I love this handheld one. It is so easy. I picked this up at my local grocery store for I think around $20. But like I said, you can get the other style one as well. So just like that, it spiralizes into pasta noodles. And I've said it before, but with zucchini, if you're kind of scared of zucchini because you don't like it when it's chopped up raw into cubes or slices, don't be shy to try it like this because I actually don't like it either when it's chopped up raw into slices or cubes, or I didn't even like it cooked. But when you spiralize it like this, thin into a spaghetti and noodle, there's just something about it, and it tastes delicious, especially when you combine it with these delicious sauces. That's just 1 zucchini, and you have so much pasta, more than enough pasta for 1 person right there, don't you think?
Yeah.
So, and again, like I've said in my other videos, these are cheap. It's a great way to eat. These are only, in a lot of places, you can get them for about $1. All right, guys, so we have the spiralized zucchini right here in our bowl. And then I will place the avocado in first. So we will cut this. All right, so we have our avocado in, and now we're gonna use approximately 1 zucchini, but I still have half left from spiralizing, so we'll throw that in. And then I will also throw in the ends, because I don't wanna waste them, from the first zucchini and the other half. There we go. And we will use the juice of 1 lemon. Get it, girl. Yeah, you can. If you can't, it's okay though. You want Mama to do it? Here. They are kind of tough. And we will use some basil. These pesto recipes are delicious with some basil. So you use about, 3/4 to a cup of basil. We will grab about a handful of basil here and put it in. Okay, and then about a cup of spinach. And we will use 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. I love garlic in these recipes, so I usually use 2, but it tastes great with just 1 as well. And we will put a little bit of sea salt. So do you wanna do that, baby? I like to use Celtic sea salt. Yeah, that's perfect. And I will add just a touch of water and blend it, and I will be right back. We have our beautiful pesto sauce right here. It is so delicious. And what I will do is I'm gonna put the noodles in a mixing bowl because I don't want my bowl I want it to stay really pretty and not get sauce everywhere. And I like to just mix these with my hands. My hands are clean. I feel like it's easier and it gets the sauce in all through the noodles. But if you don't like that and you think it's gross, then use spoons or whatever you like to mix it in. Okay guys, so here we have the completed meal, the avocado pesto. It is so delicious. I look forward to eating this after this video. And I do want to say if you guys want to make this a little bit spicier, you could feel free to add in some spice, cumin, cayenne. There's a few different things, a little bit of paprika, whatever you want, go wild. But this is a delicious meal and I can't wait to eat it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.